So good evening once again. If you're just joining us, this is the Up and Live show. And if you're streaming with us on the World Wide Web, we're here each and every Tuesday 9 p.m. on TGM Radio. This week, we bring to you the best as usual. A friend of the show, a family. He's been here before. He's part of the fabric, so to speak. You don't see him, but definitely family, right? And in day up on a different journey this evening. He's not only a vlogger. He started off as an artist in the beginning, where the vlogging take over and take wings and fly off. So you have to run with it a little bit. But now him find back him farmer glory and him there back to do the right thing. So I feel like the song but them go on with us. So we're gonna talk to him about the song. Who may talk about people? Rawpa Crawpa is here. Good evening to you, Mr. Crawpa.
Big up the whole team, man. I don't know, you understand the awareness, and also big up the viewers and the listeners, you don't know the struggle is real. We're there again.
See?
You understand?
Of course, big up yourself. Thank you very much for making the Up and Live show again. Respect, brother.
Respect likewise, the man. I say and thank you guys for having me as well in here. I don't know.
Of course. So, what's the new journey now? Talk to what go on for the new direction, because obviously we know you as a vlogger, but recently I see one bad video put up on me. I say that video look like he shot at Africa.
And you're joking. Some enough he say me myself don't even look upon it as a new journey. It's just a continuation. You understand? Because as we said a while ago, I was doing music and before vlogging, isn't me? Vlogging take over, so put in some works and make sure me have the thing on a level, solid seal. Isn't me? I say govern this up and step back to the studio now and I put in some works.
Definitely. And me see the song is you and Natel.
Natel.
The rising star youth from long time.
Yeah, man.
Talented.
Yeah.
Bad youth, man. Bad artist and producer as well, too.
Rasta, I not hear your voice. Say something, Rasta, because I not hear your voice.
I'm just saying that Natalie is extremely talented, as you rightly say, producer, artist, musician. We can call him a musician because I think he plays a few instruments.
Yes.
So I feel,
Natel, like, remember the name, but I can't put a
no worries.
to it.
We show it.
Yeah, man. No, alright. Remember if I right side, but we just can't picture his face.
His image has changed in
true.
a positive light. I mean, you're artist, you carry yourself a certain way. But as the point that I'm making, very, very talented producer, artist, and musician.
Yeah, and it started from, because I'm watching your journey. You're there in Jamaica for a long time, probably about more than 6 months. Like
6 months, yeah, man, almost 11 months, man.
Yeah, because I watch him and I say, why Rawpa Crawpa? He moved back from and left England. Was it the lockdown cause if you just decide to say, go back home? What happened?
Alright, say me forward down, I'm saying I go build back for it. I monitor it too, and then the lockdown coming where you can't move, so you have to chill out for your extra monitor too. And
okay.
but down there, Jamaica nice already, and me I will advise and me feel comfortable in my yard, and
yeah,
we just love Jamaica. I love for my place, so me just not feel for move.
Yeah.
You understand? So me I say every time my date for flight come up, me change it.
So so it wasn't a mission going to look to record a song?
No.
Or you were just there and the song happened?
No, from me I go down with have that in mind for do as well. You understand? But never go down with the intention to stay that long. And I didn't even say go down with the intention to stay that long. Cause anytime I go to Jamaica, the day wherever fly, I always headache because you feel like say boy you're just reaching at the places. So me I say
I ain't not doing enough yet.
You don't do enough yet. So me I say alright. There's no need for me to run, go. So therefore, when me just go and build, get some music done and also get some charity work done as well too. You understand? So me just chill and just put in some whole work musically and also work charity-wise as well too. Because I don't know, say, you have to bless some of the less fortunate people and see them in whatever way you can down there now.
All right. So there's a few questions here more ask. First one, the song name Hot Like 10FireSide.
Yeah.
It's a random name because watching the song, getting the concept of the song, I like the idea and realize there's a whole heap of question mark, but me start with the name of the song first as well. 10FireSide. Why go on this? Why you name the song that?
Alright, it's just the idea for the song. That was the first message when I went to the studio because when I go to the studio, I go with the intention to do a particular song. Then while in the studio and the instrumental are build, you don't know say different vibes build up on everybody in the studio. Me, Natel, Sean, you understand, and Nuclear and the rhythm of build, and we have all the vibes and here Natel say, you're hot like a 10FireSide. And I say, yo, that sound good.
Yeah.
And they must say, alright, Rawpa. And this is the chorus, But you know, say, that is a sing J.
Yeah, I'm a singer, bad singer.
Me a DJ. So one time me hear him a do it with film sing J voice and then me do it with my tough host voice. Me I say, dog, you know say, I want collab where I go do. You have to sing the chorus there.
Okay, so that's why I become a collab. So was it a song for Rawpa Crawpa first in the beginning?
Yes, that was
Okay.
the intention.
Yeah, cause me hear the song and the voice, the youth voice make it carry it over wicked.
Yeah man. So as I say one time him start singing man, me I said no. Guys, say all me work is not about grabbing the limelight or oh no, it has to be me. It's from me see something create and me see where somebody else can build upon it and make it bigger and better.
Yeah.
That me work with.
But there's different elements to this song. For instance, the video is there's a lot of direction in the video because I can see a cinematic side in it, and there's lots of what if a first time actors me seen there. First me see all Frenchy. There's
Big actress.
big actress.
Big up the sister.
No, but when I remember say
I remember Frenchy in that movie.
Exactly, but there's a place for everyone.
Yeah.
Understand? You
You
understand?
understand? I remember say also French have a couple songs out there well, you know. I just use the French. Yeah man, French have a couple
French
songs
have
out there
song
well,
out there
man. Yeah man.
I know really is.
So what
Yeah,
are they?
yeah.
French, you want to take a seat over here, so because it looks like you have a lot of things to share.
A lot of things to share.
But me don't know why
But
Frenchy
it's
sitting over there
Rawpa
saying.
interview, but
It's
Frenchy.
Frenchy.
Fuck, there's a
Yeah, remember,
particular
you know.
question.
You know, it's a package deal.
Yeah, actually, no, actually,
Package
want to say
deal.
rapper is a French.
It's
Yeah,
exactly.
Say it again now, please.
Want to say rapper is a French. You don't
You know
Not
why
like
French-
seriously, there's a question in the video
Frenchy
that
over there
I
say
want
that
to
name
ask.
shy, you know. Come show the people in bad class.
I want
you
to
know, 'cause
ask
you know it thing
you,
go.
Rawpa Crawpa, how did you manage to convince Frenchy for you to do this line in the song? There's a particular line where you're directing it to a particular female in the shot. You're addressing the female a certain way, and Frenchy is there. Only if I couldn't get that part of the song played so you can understand what I'm saying.
Me play
you're
song, but
basically
me have that part of the
say
kiosk
you
still.
want do with our next girl, and yeah, tell her like talk the things in front. And Frenchy's and I'm like,
Frenchie's here, no, you can ask her the
Frenchy,
question.
what happened there? Because you know
Which
the
one
scene
was
I'm talking
Let
about.
us know what is happening.
to the chapel.
No, in the riverside, man.
No, okay.
Oh, that part they were
Yeah.
talking about.
Okay.
Yeah.
You know what me I talk about. Frenchy, explain what's happening there. Talk to me. Good evening to you. Welcome to the show.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Thank you guys for having us.
When I tell you if you shot this part, when I tell you if you want have a happy boy.
Yeah. Yes, the part where I say him want to walk off for the girl and I tell the girl say, yo, you want to walk you on this. I'm like, yo, brother, you're brave.
Tell us your thoughts, French.
Well, you know, to me, it was fun because it's. I mean, we work together normally, and I've been part of the whole process when it comes to the song production to everything. I've been rapper always involved me in things, so I knew what was coming.
Yeah.
So you're prepared.
I knew what was coming, and in a way, with the help of rapper and the director as well, I kind of like handled everything that had to do with the music video, as much as finding the girls.
Yeah.
So set myself up.
Yeah.
Okay.
No. You know what she do? You know what she do? She find the girl and make sure so she have her entire life. So anyhow you do nothing see street, it is going to be a joke. It's going to be posted, so you know, watch yourself.
Alright, since we are talking about that, like, I don't want to be the mix up one, you know. So, in the near future, there's any wedding bells jumping, or, you know, a long time I eat some corrugota, you know,
Dragon want piece of cake.
some piece of cake and then something else.
Well, you never can tell you have to stay tuned, okay? Everything possibly, you know.
So, me want them in the near
Mr.
future, because a long time, me
How
have
much
a-
time now?
Alright,
Mr.
so watch
White,
it now.
when
I
I talk
buy
to
one
you
suit
Rawpa
from
Crawpa,
Pandemic.
we're speaking to you as Mr. White.
I buy a suit from Pandemic. And you
And you
know,
don't get for
me
weary.
dying for weary. For something keep for me come out trash.
Rapper, these people set me up when they set me up.
It's
No, I say go. Question was made to ask and then question have an answer.
exactly because when we
Yeah.
watching the video, it was puzzling me, and I saw it because what I liked about it, the video, because at first when I saw it, I thought it was another movie. That's what the video started for me. I'm like, wow, Rapper do our next thing. So I wonder if it's this World Against Rapper Part 2 or something.
But would that be part two? Would be the part two? Would that
Part 2, yes. Me said 2. Okay, I said few. Anyway, further on in the news. I thought it was that because it started that way, and there was elements like it was like a movie. But the direction of the first part, was it your direction or was it for the studios that you use? Because I like the concept of it, and the editing was on point.
No, everything, that's the direction I wanted to go with the music video. So everything what I say there, none of it wasn't by chance. That everything was planned that way. You understand? Only thing slightly missing, one time you just see the boat are going, you see the map around. We was actually supposed to have the shot there, but time run out and we couldn't get figure. I'm sure they are going again. Port Royal, and we go do the boat part. We actually go across to go up on the island.
Okay.
So everything was planned just as how you see. Because me I say, alright, one time I look on the music video there, me I say, most of the music video there basically is like the same. Only things are different place, different female. But it was the same storyline basically. So me I say, alright then, me I come out with a new song. Me have to make sure say the song hot and can work. 10FireSide, the girl hot like 10FireSide is a female song, right? There, so you can't get hotter. You're hot.
Yeah.
So me I say, then now me have to have the perfect video to match it, and a video where somebody say, oh, I watch the video already. Not meaning they watch this particular video, but they watch a next video where have the same storyline.
Yeah.
Right. So right there, so now, but this side alright. Me and Frenchy decide to watch it. We have to go out of the box. We have something we can also draw in the people where them find very interested and where them sit down and watch. And you know, say, I'm a movie person already, so yeah.
Of course. And so, was this one of the only songs that you recorded there, or was there other recordings as well?
Me have two more song film forward out. You understand? But you don't know at this time when I rush the thing.
Exactly. So
Yeah.
how is it going with the Carpenters with this song? How the Carpenters take it?
Boy, them love it, you know. You understand? Me feel good about it because me have 99.9.9.9% and 0.1. You see me I say, I say, oh, you too slack. Well, you know, people say there, everybody now go say something positive. So the more positive
I
side
mean,
you connect. So it's not going to
No, me not
Ranchy.
No, me not say that, but the normally means a man like clean music. They don't say me like clean music.
You have a clean version, man.
Exactly, so me can
And remember, one time when we grew up now, we always have one thing, we have a girl bush, you know. That was literally a girl bush, if you don't notice as well, too.
Yeah.
Literally a girl bush, you know.
But that's why I have to take off my hat to you, because you bring your woman got girl bush. Me want, listen, I want to be like you.
But what I know,
No, you are going on.
them say you know if I bring sand go see, but sometime when they go see, I have to bring bait to catch sea creature.
You understand?
Yeah. I did not say that.
You see, one thing now, I have to give Frenchy props.
Yeah.
And I have to give every female out there props and know so them have them partner and them stick by them and stick to them craft. 'Cause honestly, me no want no woman around me, or me no want to have a woman where I go try damping my style and my craft. No, go on. Because from I know myself, me have a dream and me have a vision and I know what I want to be in life. And me have a virgin, you know. Bad rapper, I know, live over here. Bad like a years. Me don't know if I use to woman or what, but him book a female. And right now I walk and pass around people dance flyer. And when I say them man they walk through the gate. Man literally bust.
And because that's the situation.
Right, when he forgot to do, she said, oh, every second you come out of the yard and you're gonna screw up. More intention, more affection. You're not giving me enough affection. Every minute you screw the way you fish, you swim around here. No, them things they broke vibes. You understand? More if you have a woman one time, I know some I go do something productive. She said, what? You know some me don't want to forward it because I feel like the boy me have an idea we can help enhance and build up.
Yeah.
Me no want nobody run with if I broke my confidence. You understand? Even though I make me confident that we up there, but try booze it same way. Yeah, you up there still now. But try booze it same way, man. Don't try
you're absolutely right about that because like them say self-praise no praise, but some of the time you need that extra pep in your step. You know, somebody tells you, you can do it, you know. Because I'm a strong believer of self-belief. But when somebody else believes in you and actually put their conviction in your belief, it make you feel like say, yo, I'm a star because look at this now. We see all social media and now the internet have grown a lot of people from, what you call it, a boy into a man. And the world we live in now, more you get the haters, comment them negative and chat them negative, but sometimes every now and then they got that one person will tell you something and it make you feel good. Make you feel like say, yo, me nah stop doing what I do, you know.
Yep.
me have to move on to the next level. You see me? So I feel like say you was one of the first vlogger from over here where kind of in a scenario there, because when you start you look review them, but the video them, a lot of people they like it. Then in a latter part, me see I get a bag of 8 cards. Sometimes you know we vast and I come at them.
No, let me tell
People
you
start chat bullshit.
Sometimes I just start. A whole lot of people laugh after me, you know.
Yeah.
Of them, or even boy laugh after me. Even at the music industry, see me laugh after me, you know. And right now, I see a big portion of them want to vlog, and some of them want to do exactly what me I do, and I them something, you know. But not them, you not gonna work for them, you understand?
It's
So
just
me I
not
say,
your personality.
yes, so when me just start music, I'll get the laugh after
Yeah.
and the hate until them system become a giant.
Yeah.
You understand doing what I'm doing. Worldwide as Jamaica, me one of the top vlogger. No matter who come after what, me a number one. The amount of records and things when me broke, when me set by doing vlogging, I just show me no hype and boast. Me no come up and talk about a bag of things.
Yeah.
But when we don't talk about celebrity and famous, vlogging make me that I'm more than a whole soul name.
And
You understand?
I could say this for one more female as well, where we see a lot of people try to break her spirit, and that's Lady Gangster Queenie. Like a lot of people try to break her spirit about what she was doing, and I say, it's madness, blah blah blah, she needs to calm down, she needs to sit down. And now, a lot of people wish they have the power what she have in terms of influence and the reach what she have in terms of social media. So I say, yo, you always will get the haters them, jump in your DM, chat about a negative shit, but you have some like a real people where you keep your little fire burning. Where say you go and do your thing, because you wanna sometimes you're not even believing in yourself like how somebody believing in you. And sometimes when somebody tell you say, yo, yeah, you can do it, continue to do it, you get like an extra motivation for go and do your thing.
Exactly. True. Even sometimes some people say Ray, and by that the one the person say Ray, me walk and me see 5 more person. Remember one of them there now, me there Brixton, you know. And I got you and me see a lady walk with that with alcohol, lady walk with that tick, you know. And would they believe me say the lady walk with that with alcohol walking stick, and the lady drop her stick and literally run me down. One time she me there, me have to go up and hold her up. And she said, yo, me love you, you see. No bet nobody tell you nothing, continue to do what you do. And watch you have it. I said,
See you there?
And next time again, me there Brixton again, same place, and me see a lady and she sell flowers. It was a Valentine evening. And she sell flowers, and the woman like 18 pounds out of selling her roses the day them. And no matter what me say to this lady, me have to walk out the 18 pounds no she make.
Yeah.
Me say everything thrive. He said no. Yeah, do your thing. Me appreciate the love and everything. She said no. Me want to give you this. Me want you. Me have to take you 18 pounds. I mean, one of my factor me I tell her, but she don't care.
Yeah.
She just want to know say yo, the work what you do,
She's
and the amount you do,
appreciated.
me appreciate it. And me just want to know say me give you this. You understand for everything what you do for me and other people out there as well too. So one time 1 and 2 people come. And I say, me even prove them.
But you're not supposed to. You're not supposed to get fight again. You're not bad.
But
I'm
I
what?
mean, he's
Me
human.
ask
You
this
get
rapper.
fight, you're not
God, boy, yeah, boy.
Do it for fun.
People do
They
it
do
for
it
fun.
Rapper.
Where then trouble you? Can't be with a real life, you know, where it's not the trouble,
So
Rawpa
then-
Crawpa say.
Even about a month before me fly down there. So and about 4 or 5 months up here, they put on phone call and say, oh, about my preach positivity, and I've got movie like my bad man. Oh, anytime I walk the boy, they are Brixton. Wait. I mean, I say, watch ya.
And these are people that you know.
People who know me.
Or who know you, but you don't know them.
Well, maybe see some of them if you know say even yesterday me I walk past over where them see me. Oh, I go I'm a general. So me there, man. I'm going about my business same way. And one time then get page. Me not tell nobody page them now. But one time then get page. Then start sing a different song and say something else who's to page them. Although no me tell nobody to page them, but same like when you have people out there will say you have some people out there will say Rawpa. You understand?
Exactly.
Even as me say all my things them, sometimes I wonder. Even though you see me burn fire against and violence and all them things there. When I touch street and then garrison me going now, my rate is way up in the sky.
Yeah.
And as I talk about ratings, me ask you this now. Speaking about the love, here in the UK or Jamaica, which part show it more to you, make you feel more like a star? Here in the UK or in Jamaica?
And the style I put my foot on.
Because all me notice, I realize like over here, especially in London, our homegrown talent, we don't really treat them like they are a celebrity.
But that's the thing, me not only in the little Jamaican box.
Yeah.
me build my name way out of the box.
I'm just asking how you get treated here or Jamaica. Is the treatment different? You get better treatment at Jamaica or here?
Anytime I step out of the same treatment,
Okay.
people treat me like what I am, like who I am.
That's
I
true.
get the respect.
Okay.
You might have one and two where feel like say boy, they don't want to give me the respect cause them feel like say boy, them I was there before me. Well, that no matter me, cause me still will give them respect cause some boys stay. They understand me have no problem with showing nobody respect. But when time I step up, I get my respect everywhere. Jamaica crazy respect. UK crazy. Me not to say even whole man over here run me down, man.
Yeah.
Makes
You
sense.
understand? The thugs them see him with man. General them see him with man.
And just like you said, people running along for all different type of scenario reasons. But obviously today, we're no longer discussing topics with Rawpa Crawpa, the vlogger. We're discussing topics with Rawpa Crawpa, the artist. And if you're just joining us, he has a brand new song that's been premiered. If you haven't heard it here, haven't heard it before, you're going to be hearing it now. The song is called, sir?
10FireSide.
Okay, and it's courtesy of?
I'm a feature Rawpa Crawpa and Natel. You understand? You can check out the brand new official music video on YouTube, Rawpa Crawpa Vivo. You understand? Just go there and tap in 10FireSide, man. And it will kick up. Because it's the only song with that title, 10FireSide.
Yeah.
You won't Google the next song. You understand? So I saw me tell me about
You check the stats.
Yeah, when me step with that some things said, it's the only song you will find
With
10FireSide. You'll find other clip with that, but that's the only song.
You will find 10, you will find Fireside, but nothing
10
named
Fireside.
10 Fireside.
Right.
I remember you heard it first right here in the Upnlive show.
Damn, hot like a 10FireSide anytime I walk in. From me looking at your eye, got me know say you are my queen. Back it up, give me love for you, back it up. Damn, hot like a 10FireSide.
Mommy, take your time, you a cause trouble. Like boiling water, start bubble. All who not drive, start steer. Come here, baby, to crocodile daycare. I will give you love, not fear. Pull with bun, not beer. Take you to the chapel, I swear. You never do your body that's fear. From now on forever, you are my teddy dear.
Wow. Damn, hot like a 10FireSide anytime I walk in. From me looking at your eye, got me know say you are my queen.
Now what I have a second verse.
Back it up, give me love for you, back it up. Damn, hot like a 10FireSide.
All on the run, use up the light. You know why, what a pretty sight. Tight pussy full, my cocky appetite. You know can man, chicky type. You know beggy licky type. Me not tell you fi bow if you want have a happy bite. Jacama pick you up like satellite. What you think that me want fuck you every day, every night, eh?
Damn, hot like a 10FireSide anytime I walk in.
Other part of the song that I talk about. So if you're watching the video and the words that you just hear just now, and you look into the particular shot and that particular angle, there's three particular person in the shot. Rawpa Crawpa one, Frenchy one, and there's another sexy looking female inside the shot as well. And Rawpa Crawpa was directly addressing the other female, and Frenchy was there, and I'm like, this is like some star boy thing. Like it.
But if you joke, you know, before the video came out, we posted some pictures, and one lady on Facebook messaged, and she was like, "Oh my God, Rawpa, this is so disrespectful. I can't believe you was the woman. Frenchy is such a nice person, and you do this to her." And I was like, "Oh God."
Exactly. So my observation comes from that place where that woman was in thought of. So the same thing me I think, I say, not really, me know say acting and way, but obviously that was just a little thing. But I feel no way over it.
Acting just come like a movie then. So it was a movie and me and the next female lady I do a sexual role.
So you go.
So I go.
I monitor the acting.
No, Frenchy. Hold on, no. You monitored
Frenchy,
everything,
like,
baby girl. Remember, you are the right hand. You
like
monitored
Frenchy
everything.
say, you know,
Of course.
if your man that do the do, make sure you say monitor it, you know. Make sure you say no get out of hand.
Yeah.
Oh, whether young girl say nowadays, I'm a monitor the fuck.
I don't know if that's what is that what they're saying.
You know, so it's because no in a Jamaica.
Me pass the young girl age.
Remember now we live in a day and age where a lot of people is open to like open relationship like Jamaican, where them woman allow them to sleep with another woman. You know, as long as you can monitor the fuck.
First part of like life, for Frenchy like book.
Yes.
Yeah, man like book, but in the work, you understand, sometimes I work in
Yeah.
the media light, you understand. Me have to have me work with non-cage thing this up.
Balance.
Yeah,
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 balance,
enough.
yeah.
Yeah.
I like to fly.
You like to fly?
Yeah, but
All
I
right,
feel like
all
a
right,
eagle.
birdie. All right.
Me African by birth, so I believe in like multiple wives, you know. One big house have a 10 one living there, you know.
I understand.
We need to go back home, you know.
Yeah, I understand
Nothing
what
bad,
you
you
said,
know.
you don't know.
Hey,
African ancestors and then something there.
So we've spoken about 10FireSide, but at the same time, you're still Rawpa Crawpa the vlogger.
No, I'm just a Rawpa Crawpa man, my everything.
You're a gentleman that wear many hats, and we are
Right.
we are
I also direct and movie star.
yeah.
and all
So
of
we're
this something there.
and because of that, we're speaking to Rawpa Crawpa the vlogger at this point in time.
Okay.
Right. So many things have been happening. You've been in Jamaica for 10 months, and we see you cover a whole heap of topic.
Yeah, man.
The latest topic which we were speaking about earlier today with this His Excellency Kevin Smith.
you want to put excellence on him name?
I thought that is his
Remember
title.
excellency, you know. It's
He's
like
excellent.
when you
No,
have
no.
royalty.
I saw you people them address him, sir. It's
So
on
your
his
excellency.
website.
So
His
that-
Excellency
that-
Kevin Smith.
where we get it from?
You have to go ask him.
You give it to him.
You have to go in the afterlife and ask him.
Yeah,
Because
but
remember the word excellency
in
come
shape
from
them.
royalty.
Yeah,
so
but
if
that
if
is-
it's not a name given to yourself, it cannot be
It's self-proclaimed.
bespoke upon by the government
It's
or something.
self-proclaimed.
Oh,
That-
just like how Carter say my king of the dance
right. It's self-proclaimed. that is what his title
Okay.
is.
We just say it.
So my question to you, because obviously you have eyes and ears on the ground in every part, mega say worldwide. What have your inbox and messages and phone calls been like in regards to this topic?
Boy, sir, right now, almost everybody then dog and their mama, I say the same thing.
What are they saying?
This thing looks suspicious, bad.
Which part are it? The
The whole
cult
life.
or the death?
Everything in general.
Talk to me more about that.
You understand? Everything, because remember say what? I Saturday them also do interview and him liar, tell him say enough basically enough answer no question. You understand? Where the footage what we see where we come
Where the
out
po-
where
yeah.
they then did their kin teeth and
Yeah,
then
right.
he starts say, oh, I'm from Catching Pig. I'm enough people that drink like your water and ray and this and that, and then boof. We said them a transport him and him dead and he just crash and dead
Just
like
crash
that.
and dead.
That's
Suspicious.
That's suspicious and weird. You understand? And we know after from day one, police did pre him before, but because
Yeah.
of his connection and them not have nothing solid,
Yeah.
them have to allow him
Okay.
until the incident where happened last week. So me I say where they were at the church. Where first of all him call it, the members them and tell them say they must forward at the church. Everybody must come in all white
Yeah.
and they must leave. They will wrap up them phone in a
In
file
file
paper
paper.
and leave them phone.
Right.
You understand? Because them need to get prepared for the rapture and the ark they bout. You understand? So
And anybody we have any sense, you know the rapture is what?
Yeah.
This is me I
ending
say.
of the world.
mhm.
Yeah.
And remember, you know, this is not the first he have done something like this now, because in March, him also tell the people them say yo they must compare.
Pre-COVID.
You understand? They must compare the 100,000 for
Yes.
going at the ark. The ark is which is the church, you know. And
Because there was a situation forwarding, and he
Right.
could tell the people that it's going to be bad, so you need to come and pay your dividends, so to
which
speak,
is 100,000.
yeah, which is 100K.
So
And one time they pay the 100,000, you know, if you know say people them did their ball and I say yo, a dumpling and tin mackerel gravy then them did and them after them pay them big old 100,000, you know.
Mhm.
And not only that, but them have to pay water rate and them have to pay light bill and buy groceries the same way, you know.
So, what I want to find out from you,
Yeah.
what do you think it should happen now that obviously he's passed? The allegation still stands because the
So them say.
members, well, so to speak, the members of the churches are going to be tried. Member of the church who are
Not
living,
members, it's just one member.
yeah,
Who,
him,
the one who did
the
the
one that
murder?
get charged today.
Yes, just
Yeah.
that person alone.
Okay,
The
so,
rest of them then just hold them on COVID breach and that was it.
yeah, I'm not really worried about them. I talk about, like I said, in terms of his assets now. What do you think should happen? Like, because knowing what he done and knowing the nature of his crime and the money that he take from people,
yeah.
what do you think should happen? You think
And no matter what we think could happen, or what go happen, and nothing go happen. But they asset them.
Not now,
Why
man,
is
cause
I
the,
never hold them and take it. And them can't come give.
yeah, the government now no grounds to take him
Walking
asset
and
because
grounds
yeah,
them
you know no grounds to take him asset. But
In, yes, something I say.
let me just ask this question, like, because this is just a conspiracy theory out there.
Yes.
Do you think Mr. Kevin is a small pawn to a bigger puzzle?
You know one glasses that. Remember, you know, see man photo them alone. Anybody can take photo.
Like
car.
he have a higher person who is answering to.
more than one, man. Anybody can take photo. Cause I take photo with some people who used to tell if tomorrow in the same the most wanted this and yesterday my rapper a big friend. And it was just a photo.
Yeah.
So you understand. But we are gonna work with the photo them. You know, see man have a photo with a bag of bigger heads. The man links up them and I don't know. Man lifestyle.
In terms of this world order I'm talking about, you know, like they're you know, this cult thing is coming from way back in the days. Till in the early 2000s it was linked to Illuminati. Then
and if I know from way back when from then you call it lodge, you understand? And
yeah, from Dillarants.
And way
Yeah.
back when, so I don't know new.
Yeah.
We all grew up and hear about some different kind of names. Some
Secret
figure
society.
Name yeah, but at the same little thing them one time we are grow up. Remember when I grew up and a man used to, in a way, not about the red shirt.
Yeah.
Still then call him red shirt. And everybody say because in giant lodge.
Yeah.
You understand? So I'm not new. Everything we are going on from way back when.
So let me ask you this:
Like
Do
because
do
of
you
social
do you
media.
believe in these kind of powers? Do you believe say there's a other powers out there
Yes.
where people can arm you like a Oberman him can
Yes.
mash you up?
Yes.
Do you
You understand? One time I come to Earth and
Yeah.
humanity, my mind and just stop one place and I got that. You understand? Because I look for something simple something. Oh, we just there so right now attack upon a few little metal and the whole world are here with. We never look for something simple something like that.
A witchcraft?
Eh?
You ask if a witchcraft.
No, but they still call it science on a different level.
Yeah,
But
but
it still could come down to science on a different level.
yeah.
You have different levels.
Uh-huh.
So you have did it on your phone and you attack.
Yeah.
So me not put nothing aside. You understand? Me not put nothing aside. I believe in that.
So
They say believe kill and believe cure.
so where I try to say the older one them have a little device where them can, you know, like someone say you would drop two little put something
no,
together and
you have gift.
yeah.
Everybody have different kind of gift. You have some people with spiritual gift.
Yeah.
You understand? And a man using spiritual gift, how him feel if he use it. Some use it for good, some use it for bad.
Yeah.
You understand? And spiritual gift is just like anything else. Like a man can dive under water and tap in breath for 5 minutes, 6 minutes. The average person cannot do that.
Yeah.
That's a gift.
But
You
but
understand?
Rawpa Crawpa, do you think some of these things is built by training of the body and some alright? So basically in a church scenario, yeah,
Some can
them say the pastor or the priest is first in line to God. So if you want to pass a message to God, you should convey it to the pastor and him convey it to God.
No,
sir.
that's not
No,
right.
So you go?
No,
sir.
that's
May
not
I
right.
ask you go?
No,
sir.
no,
Me
no,
and my
no, so
creator
bad.
have
Yeah.
our own relationship.
No,
You understand?
exactly.
When we want to talk to my creator,
You
we
gotta-
don't need no translator. So you know them.
Right.
So what is
Right.
the purpose of the
pastor
church?
at the telephone.
Right.
eh?
What is the purpose of the church
To
then?
me, the purpose of the church,
Yeah.
is a place where all of we are
Unification.
right.
It's a
For the-
community.
it's a
Right.
community.
And
you
all of
fo-
we can come
Right.
together in this building. You understand? Associate and all
One
of them stuff.
faith, one
Come,
body,
me
unification of the body.
A nonsense me attack. I look one man say you go on. You know, so me and you do the same. Come and tell them about this. I say yo. Me and my lad have a one relationship. Me
Yeah.
I say yo, Father God put me for do what me I do. And me I say me and you I do the same kind of work. Only thing me look on the church like the office. Me and man over there front line. You know, time I soldier
Yeah.
have some
Yeah,
soldier will do
yeah, yeah.
office work, and you have the man them go out there go bust
On
gun.
the
Okay.
field.
Me I say yo, me the man with on the front line, I bust gonna do the
Right.
dirty work. To me, the church are the office.
Right.
One time me come for the battlefield, I'm on part to the office go sign to a paper
Yeah.
or go chill out. That's what me do. Me have a keep not say yo, certain place for me can go and certain soul me can
Yeah.
see.
Can't go.
You cannot go and you can't do it for them not gonna listen to you. But
yeah.
they must listen to me. But anyway, him tell me say rubbish me attack. I need to go and get baptized.
All right.
For him job now, I forget more people
Yeah.
in the church, so him can build him pocket bigger.
Yeah.
Oh,
All right.
Jesus.
So I must apologize if I offend any churchgoers or any Christian because I have to ask this Christian. So when you think about the baptism process, isn't that a form of cult ceremony type thing? Because remember, our ancestor was
Careful.
brought from Africa, and when we come from Africa, the way we used to praise as black people, they call it black magic. That was our religion.
Yeah.
So the ceremony, the way I call it, the Roman Catholic type of baptism, the Son, the Father, and the Holy Ghost, would you consider that as some form of cult type business? Because I ask, because the question meant to ask.
Yeah, boy, you put it deep this because you don't know you got the slavery route and all of them something. And when you go so,
Careful.
when you go there so, back in the days one time the slave master beat you, you know, he have the Bible and I read and I beat you, you know.
Yeah.
You understand? So right there, so we know say for them God. So that's the 9% that time I see me work with Almighty or the Creator. You understand? Because some people just go after what they see on the album.
Yeah.
Can I say something about that?
Yeah.
I would say that everything we do, regardless of the religion, certain act that we poses, they are rituals. They are rituals. Just like you have rituals for self-care, you have spiritual rituals.
Yeah.
Baptism is a ritual. It's something that you do for the purpose of gaining something and for connecting spiritually with something else. You understand? So it's a ritual. So from that point of view now, you can say that yes, it is. Everything would have a ritual, just like the Muslim before they go to prayer, they have to wash they have to wash their hand to do this. Sometimes they have to wear certain attires. Depending on where you are in Christianity, you have to do certain things. It is a ritual.
Yeah, I know.
So it kind of answers.
All right, me not deep jumping on Muslim thing, but I know like Christianity a bit better because I was brought up going to church and stuff. So me know like say in terms of when I call it when I get to the dark side of the church business, like say if them say dopey, you're possessed by a dopey, right? Them not gonna take it go to 70 church or the Pentecostal, them will get one Catholic pastor for come. Why is that?
I've never heard that before.
I mean, I don't know about that.
Cause them normally say Catholic pastor, them I want better with dopey, you know. You know them say certain branch of church can get certain thing off of you.
But
Yeah.
I know say if a person go to church and any problem me have with dopey like that, I'm a normal pastor that comes to, so I never know say boy, I'm them just spiritual.
I've never
I
heard.
kind of think it's because
Right.
the Catholics were there first when it comes to Christianity, and they used to be the one doing the witch hunts and all of that. So over time, people kind of have the ideas that then even when you watch certain thing like what's the name of that movie? The Exorcism.
Exorcism, yeah.
Yes, it is a Catholic priest that they bring to get to
But
deal with it.
but would you say that's kind of swaying too close to demonic level? Yeah. Would you say like what certain branch of Christianity do?
Remember, you can't really say that, because once you speak about religion, once you speak about spirituality in its word itself, it has spirit. Once you're dealing with that, you're dealing with spirit. You're dealing with a different realm. From the time you go into a different realm, you cannot either associate it to something demonic or whatever. It is just a different realm, and it's dealing with different type of spirit. That's why they say you have spirit and you have demons. It's two different things. So it depends on what you're working with.
Okay, and you know we've gone for one way on one part.
May I try get to the meaty because me ask if Mr. Kevin now if him that have the what you call it, the calling by the Almighty, because as we say Rawpa Crawpa, certain people we know they are spiritually gifted. Where just like what the Bible say that God convey and tell Moses to do certain thing. Me I wonder if him have the calling from Father God to do certain thing, or the calling from Satan or whoever call him, you know, or
He might get a call.
Me don't know. Me would like to say my con man, but some man sheep them say boy, him have healing powers. You understand? Because me have voice note a lady I said I call somebody else and I say when them come up here and you bleed and this and that and you
misread.
You understand? I him have to heal you and ray.
Yeah.
You understand? I don't know, probably it's just the mind, cause last night we was doing a live and a lady calling and she said, boy, she used to go to church and she have epilepsy, what we call fits.
Yeah.
And she said one time the pastor tell her, say, listen me, stop taking medication, dash your medication, we're going to heal you. And I give her some drink. She said she got to church the 1 year. And from the whole year, she never have a seizure.
Is it the same Kevin man or a
no,
different pastor?
somebody else.
Pastor.
But she said, boy, in the long run, when she find out what the man give her for drink and realize it was a brainwash. But she said, even though it was a brainwash, until she stopped going to church, she never have a seizure.
Okay.
Until the moment she stopped going to church. At
Because
that time,
it's the mind.
The mind is
Okay.
powerful.
The mind is powerful, but let's jump into this. We think about like get healing by a pastor or a woman. Is the same healing or a different healing? No, if a pastor bless you, you have healing pastor in
It doesn't
Jamaica.
come from the past.
Or what? Or
If
whoever I
they're
come
real,
from, you know what I talk
If the
about.
individual
But it
release
doesn't
this-
No,
come from
whoever I want come
That's
from,
true.
what we I
He
say.
is the
All right.
mediator.
Let me
Well,
tell you
Yeah.
something. In
Whoever
both
man
case-
or whatever.
I thought about
Where
it.
you go?
In both cases, they are vessels.
Yeah, that's what
Exactly.
I'm saying.
In both cases,
Yeah,
they
yeah,
are
yeah.
vessels.
Vessels of who? Because normally in our culture, they would say the Obia man is demonic.
Yeah, but
Demonic,
the Obeah
yeah?
man get it from
No,
a higher
it's
power.
Yeah.
The two of them have the power is determine how a person uses it. That person
Yes.
can use it. His or hers for good and
Or
the next one
evil.
use it for black.
Yes.
For the dark arts. You
Yes.
understand?
So, hold on.
both of them get the same power, but how you choose to use it.
And then again, they
So,
get it from a higher power.
Let me ask you this.
They're not the person who gives it.
If, like what them say the Bible is, says a loving Bible and rare, kind giving God, why would he give like somebody the power to do dark magic?
No, and give it the free will, and give it
Yeah.
the free will, and give
It's
it the power.
choice.
What you
Because
do with
as
it-
a friend you say, if your body is a vessel, right?
No, him give you
He's not
something.
doing the healing himself.
No, simple. Yarika DJ.
Eh.
Me give him a tune for play. And you say, oh, you say rapper. Me go bust the tune and you spin it
Yeah.
up. Every time you play, me give Rick and Ricky sin teeth and tune I been.
Eh.
Me give totally the same song. But feel mine
Yeah.
and attitude
Dirty
besides
boy.
saying dirty now play.
Yeah.
In that way. But you
Dirty
spin it
boy.
up 24/7 because you have the clean mind and you want to see you strive.
Right.
But this is a different scenario because if somebody invested
No,
power through you,
But your
Yeah,
choices.
yeah,
It still come down
it
to
boils down to
choices.
choices, and again, the power doesn't come through the pastor. As you rightly say, it's a spirituality thing, and it comes from a higher being. Like the pastor is the vessel.
so do you feel that
And then,
it's
well, and you also have some, get the dark art, you understand, from the dark places as
Yeah.
well. And them just go dark. Even though them get it from the dark place, them still can come in the light, but them choose to go dark.
Them go further
You
into it.
understand? Because them feel like the dark more fruitful.
Yeah.
Boy, brother,
I may ask you this as Rawpa Crawpa as a
last
vlogger.
30 seconds, I'll start.
Do you believe that enough of the higher politician in Jamaica is involved in cults or dillarants or lodge or something like that?
Freemason.
so.
Yeah.
I think so. I'm not sure, but I would like, I think so.
Yeah, that's your
Okay.
opinion.
You
Right.
understand? Because even some of the artists, man, them are some people in a certain business. You understand?
They're
Because
into it.
I don't know if a lot of people listen to Intense song Yahoo Boys,
Yeah.
and a lot of these songs they're talking about
Guard up and
guard up and the overman get you and them got 80 and now it moved from Caribbean like money has spent better now and because the world is more connecting they're getting it from the motherland now.
Yeah.
Them are get it
yeah.
from Africa.
Yeah.
You know, so you come and you bless the little ring, you know. Because
Link
remember
this Donna.
from we are kids in
Authentic.
Jamaica, we are here say, the police, them can't kill him. Look at Mr. Adams, that's why we here say, in Mintango with
He's
this man,
involved
because
in the situation.
we always here say him have a gathering. No matter how them try shooting, them can't shoot this man at him grains him.
Right.
And in guard
So
glass.
now we here, say him and this man is
Have connections.
entangled and now he's coming out distance himself from
The
Mr.
whole
Kevin.
situation.
Yeah, but if him get up on an animals from Kevin, I can't find a higher source or a stronger source.
Well, these are
We don't
questions
know,
that
but
we will,
that-
we
that's
will
why
have
we
answer
want
to
to tie
until
everything
Renita
together.
Adams comes into the studio and answer
no
them.
matter how we look on it now, we can't tie everything together, you know, 'cause everything what we are saying speculation. You know.
Yeah.
You understand? We have no proof, but we can look on a situation and then we can come to our own conclusion.
Yes, definitely. Ladies and gentlemen, Rawpa Crawpa and Frenchy, thank you ever so much for joining us this evening. The conversation, boy, we need more time than the time that we had.
I
It's
don't
now,
really talk about those well, you know.
we don't have a time, brother. It's now 6 minutes to the hour of 11 o'clock, and we are going to leave the studio shortly. But before you go, Rawpa and Frenchy, give us some social media details and tell us what else is forwarding out for the rest of 2021.
Well, you don't know, say we're forward for the rest of 2021. We have more music if we coming on. You understand?
Yes.
And everything will just drop down. You see me, I say?
Like a bomb.
So just keep your eyes open and just go and watch Rawpa page. You don't know, just Google me. Everything a Rawpa Crawpa. RAWPA space. CRAWPA. Most importantly at this moment, go up on YouTube
Yes.
and go check out my music for the 10FireSide.
Yes.
You understand? And also subscribe to the Vivo.
Yes.
Rawpa Crawpa Vivo.
Yes,
Rawpa
and shout out
Crawpa
to
Vivo.
Natal who is probably still on the live or who joined us earlier tonight. Thank you for joining us.
Big up my producer, big up. Yeah, man,
Yeah.
and we have 2 more banger.
A
to drop
forward
as
out.
well too. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
One more for the female them, and also our next one when we and tell the youths them say, boy, you know, put on the gun, 'cause I
So-
don't know life nice, you know.
Can't give any more details. Frenchy?
In due time, man. Just keep my eyes open.
All right.
Keep my
In
eyes
due
locked
time,
on the
ladies and
profile them.
gentlemen, Rawpa Crawpa was here in studio. Thank you so much again, bro. Frenchy, big up yourself. It's 5 minutes to hour 11
You know,
o'clock.
at first week, me come here, yo, me don't want to request me no car. You know, bro, God no get
We
no beat
not
that week.
talk about bro
But
God
make
the
it stay.
week here. Make him stay.
Make it stay.
You understand?
Me I give him 2 week break, you know, cause you know,
I want long
2
time.
week break, yeah.
Yes. So remember to go over to all our social media platforms and follow us: Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. Most importantly, YouTube. Go over, search for us Upnlive Show. Hit the notification bell, subscribe, share the link, and just comment and content to support us. We're going to be here. We're here every Tuesday between 9 and 11, and we're sponsored by Shush Print. So stick and stay. Every week we bring a special guest to you. So don't move. We're going to see you next week. Dragon All Star is going to, you know,
The thing of people,
wind
as
down
I'm
the
saying
show and
every
bear
week,
things.
love a brother, love a sister, let love rule in everything you do. I want to read a book in them, so brain poison, main power. Until next week, no people, just be safe, alright?